What is up, you stanky smelly people? Welcome back to StankyGames. This time we're doing something a bit special. So, I know someone that has a farm, and I got to go and explore that while I was in this in-between stage of home and school. So, this video will be about not exactly what I learned, but what I did mostly, and I'll kind of go over what I learned after. But they also have a YouTube channel where they show their tips and tricks, how to work around the farm. So make sure to check out the link in the description and subscribe to them as well. It would be much appreciated. And we'll get into it. Thank you for not attacking.
Somebody wants his dinner.
I need to stay away
So wiggle it, shake it off, and then put it in.
So I got to get some chicken eggs, as you saw. And there's also some pigs, and they have their own garden in their backyard in which I am picking onions. You see the onion? It's a big onion. That's a bit of a joke there, but I don't remember what I did next. So let's just see.
So you can feed it to the chicken.
Oh my gosh.
You got it?
He's kicking against my...
Okay, wait.
Where'd they go?
Just call him.
The goat's looking for... You are gonna die. I'm so sorry. We got rabbits. Oh, you're so sorry. I'm okay. So is there...
You can hold the wings up against your body.
Gotta say, this is Fluffy the chicken.
Hello. Is the head thing work? No.
I gotta see his face.
This is so cool. So they have many animals on their farm, as you saw, chickens, and here we're going to see goats as well. And we're going to be introduced to some other animals who help out around the farm. And this is Honey. She is the guardian dog of this household, and she makes sure that there are no coyotes or other dangers to the farm animals. So she sleeps all day and is vigilant at night like Batman. So we're here with the goats, not the greatest of all time. Do we know what kind of goats they are? Nigerian dwarf. Very many. How many do you have? 30-something Nigerian dwarf goats, all in this one spot. It's amazing. So in that bit, I caught a cricket and I was trying to throw it, but it got stuck in my fingers. And then here you see me being a goober trying to herd a chicken out of the garden. So yeah. So this right here is the milking station where they milk the goats and get the goat milk.
But we're gonna do some.
Why? Oh.
Why?
It's very tasty, which I've heard you can make ice cream out of it, which I will try later.
Definitely eat the ice cream later.
Okay, so we are in the milking station. Very cool. So you can milk a goat two ways. One using the fancy dancy machine that we saw, or you can do it the old-fashioned way.
Yes, I just come out here and wipe her teeth down with a baby wipe to clean them off. Use some olive oil and milk her out. She's a good girl.
And that's how much you got from one milk?
Yeah, I usually get twice as much in the morning, but she's kind of stingy at night.
Did you know that goat's milk is more easily digestible for your system, and there's more protein in it, and it has 3 times as more cream as cow's milk?
Well, I'm not making your ice cream. The filter? Yeah, it's a coffee filter. It helps get out like anything extra that came off of her fur as I was milking her, but I already got a lot of the dirt off after cleaning her teeth first. Actually, I pretty much came up with that.
You did?
Yeah.
Is it your recipe?
Yep.
That's so cool. That's true. I am doing that.
What are you doing?
I'm making ice cream. I mean, I'm just mixing right now. She's making the ice cream.
I thought you meant the goat thing.
The ice cream was in fact very delicious. And then we're about to wrap up the night and then start early tomorrow. You put something that's easily flammable in the phone. It's 7 a.m. It's like 50 degrees outside and we're gonna go farm. On this early morning, I was tasked with feeding the pigs, some of the chickens, and harvesting some zucchini.
Out loud.
Why?
Because it's funny.
It's not.
You're supposed to count your chickens before they hatch.
I thought it was the eggs.
No.
You count the eggs before they hatch.
No, you count.
No, you count the eggs before they hatch.
No. The saying is count your.
You count the
chickens.
eggs because if you need 12 chickens, but you don't have 12 eggs, then you need to count the eggs before you count the chickens. Thank you. I'm taking out the zucchini. Oh.
Is that? Yeah.
Well,
So
I
you're
broke
gonna
it.
twist it a little
I
bit.
did.
Okay, we'll
But it
twist it.
didn't work.
We'll try again.
Oh, I see the honker at the bottom.
Yeah. Here you go. Do you want me to hold that?
Yeah. Just need like a thing.
Areas.
I know. But you got a good one. Yeah, good time.
This is huge. Hi. Yeah, are you ready? Oh yeah, foods. It's all in there.
It's right there.
Look. Thank you guys so much for coming. That's the end of my farm journey. And the message that I would like to share is to try new things. I never thought I'd hold chicken before. So go out and explore, and maybe you'll discover that you're secretly a potato farmer, and you want to do that for the rest of your life. So also make sure, remember, go subscribe to the channel that's linked in the description. And always remember to keep in your stanky smelly hearts. Oh, sorry, that was my bad.
I can smell you! Oh, I didn't
Oh, were you recording?